संदीप जी, गुड मॉर्निंग। गुड मॉर्निंग व्यूअर्स। It's 4 a.m. right now. It's I think third episode. It's going to be the fourth episode. So see you in the road. मुझे तो नहीं आता है। Gear up करने के बाद
हरियाणा, चंडीगढ़ और उत्तर पश्चिम राजस्थान में भी ठंड रिकॉर्ड तोड़ सकती है। यूपी के कई शहरों में रात में गलन बढ़ी तो दिन में कड़ी धूप के बावजूद सर्द हवाएं चलती रहीं। न्यूज़।
So the problem is like we are confused whether we should right now or like maybe we should wait for 1 hour more because अभी न्यूज़ में भी आपने थोड़ा देखा होगा मॉर्निंग का आवर में थोड़ा कोहरा फोग थोड़ा ज़्यादा रहता है, की वजह से थोड़ा एक्सीडेंट होने का थोड़ा चांसेस ज़्यादा रहता है क्योंकि विजिबिलिटी थोड़ा कम रहता है यहाँ पे एंड दूर दूर तक हाईवे पे कोहरा ज़्यादा होने के कारण से छोटा गाड़ी को बड़ा गाड़ी इतना अच्छे से देख नहीं पाता है। ये जो ट्वेलाइट का समय है, नाइट ड्राइवर्स होता है, ट्रकर्स होता है, इन लोग दो सिचुएशन में रहता है, एक नींद सा भी रहता है, तो उस समय दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम इज़ ए वेरी वेरी डेंजरस टाइम। उस समय एक्सीडेंट होने का ज़्यादा खतरा रहता है। Whosoever travels especially early in the morning should always make sure to drive safe and slow as much as possible because accident होने का ज़्यादा खतरा मॉर्निंग आवर्स में रहता है एंड स्पेशली इन द विंटर टाइम जब कोहरा ज़्यादा होता है, फॉगी ज़्यादा होता है। अगर विंटर का टाइम है, कोहरा ज़्यादा है, फॉगी ज़्यादा है तो यू बेटर बी केयरफुल। सो विल डिस्कस इट आउट whether we should travel now or whether we should delay for 1 hour.
One eternity later.
So now we are set to go.
Good morning, guys. All set to move towards Siliguri. Let's catch up on the way. We'll keep you posted. What's happening?
See you on the road. So we are all set to go now, beginning the journey.
Hello. Phone connected.
हो गया? So guys, we are all set to go now.
In 400 meters, turn left onto Rana Pratap Marg.
Finally, we are going.
It's on the road. Hit on the road.
Yes, we are on the road now. We are heading towards Siliguri.
Pleasant climate to start with. Cool breeze.
Absolutely. Right now it's 13 degrees Celsius. We actually started a little bit lately.
Oh, it's 6:45 only.
Oh, it's 6:45.
Yeah. We are on time.
Okay, we are on time. Okay, so right now it's 6:45 a.m. Hopefully we reach there at time. I would suggest all the riders not to hurry because not a very big deal.
That's very important. Safety is most important, I think. One should also enjoy the ride, you know.
Yep.
Not just reaching the destination, but enjoying the route throughout.
It's a pleasant weather. I can see here in my left, a river. It is the Gomti River. I think they have made a canal.
1,000 kilometers today, Mr. Valley?
Yeah, I think crossing more than 1,000 kilometers.
I think approximately 1,000. Like what
Yeah,
you see
approximately 1,000.
Traffic तो हल्का चालू हो गया अभी हाईवे पे. I hope we'll cross the main part of this city का. ताकि once we hit, ये हाईवे तो है वैसे ये हाईवे ही है. That's the advantage of starting a bit early actually, since we started almost before 7. So yeah, I think अभी normal जो working hours का traffic है, that is not yet started. So we hope to clear this. That once we hit the main highway, at least we can move around.
We are in the main highway now. And I think it seems to be as I was expecting that the highway would be a little bit highway.
4-lane highway.
4-lane highway, yes. I can rarely feel the wind blast. This bike, I won't be able to give the full description. This is a BMW GS 1250 Adventure model, the top model of the GS. You can see the engine which is popping out somewhere from the left and right. Two popped up engine boxes.
बैक गिर गया मेरे साथ।
किसका बैग गिर गया?
अपना ड्रोन वाला बैग।
Oh shit.
नीचे गिरा है।
अरे यार, रुको संदीप जी, रुको।
भाई
लेके भाग रहा था ना।
लोग इधर भी लगा टाइट होएगा तो गिरना नहीं चाहिए।
So right now I am in the middle of Mohatpur. We have to stop because bike is not starting because the key battery is drained out. So I have to stop here. Sandeep has gone to get the battery. All the shop is closed. It might open by 10 o'clock I think, but right now it's 8:30 and I'm stuck here waiting for the battery. Kind of frustrating. Let's hope for the best. Journey का ये एक part समझ लो. I think it might take near about one and a half hour to get the battery. Till then I'll wait here.
Auto rickshaw. Trying to find out 8 o'clock in the morning and we are just trying to find out where to get this battery. So a lot of excitement happening now.
हम लोग अभी यही टाइम पास चिल कर रहा है अभी।
बहुत मजा आ रहा है जैसे कि
हाँ जी,
सब लोग फ्री हैं।
So all of them are like Mannat people, the border people. They are wonderful people. My channel speakers. So most of them are freaking out when I'm telling the price. यहाँ से सभी आसाम से फिर अरुणाचल।
Got the cell. Bike was not starting. Got it and pannier also was a problem. We were waiting for the mechanic to come and fix the pannier issue. Because the pannier just fell down twice. So there it is, Mr. Valley sitting, and trying to coordinate with the mechanic. So yes, it's not a very good situation, but yeah, you can't help the rape, better enjoy the rape. That's what is happening now.
Several bad puns later.
So finally we have started after a break of almost 2 hours.
No, it is already been 3 hours. We are already very late.
Yeah, we are 3 hours late. So I hope this is the only surprise we have. Last surprise on the way.
Pannier issue is already been solved.
Right.
The pannier is fine now. It is not falling off. And thank you, Sandeep ji, to get the manage the key battery.
Oh, it was almost 8 kilometers from the place where the bike broke down. Small things, but I mean, make a big difference, right? Small lock was not fitted here, the pannier lock, right? A big problem. Same thing happened with the key.
Yes.
It has a small battery inside, and that just went off.
Only for a small battery, that flat battery.
Yes.
The whole engine, the whole bike was.
So even the secret key didn't really work, right?
Yeah, even the secret key didn't work actually. But later on, what we did, secret key, we cannot mention about the secret key.
Okay. Yes. That's right. You can mention, but I mean, just that's it. Where you put it, you don't.
Yes. The secret key didn't work.
So element of curiosity for everybody, Only this vehicle has.
No, at least we are lucky to experience this thing just nearby dealer itself.
Yeah.
The dealer was 10 kilometers far from there.
Yes.
Whosoever buys such electronic bikes or any super bike, at least try to keep some extra battery for your keys, extra batteries for your bike, and some jump starter is also necessary, because in case right now we only had a travel of the key battery, which was, but I am very surprised. How come like yesterday only we took the bike, brand new bike,
Right.
and key battery basically it doesn't drain out so easily.
Yeah, absolutely.
And the bike is, I think you can see there, it has run only for how many kilometers? I cannot see that.
67 दिखा रहा है ट्रिप का.
67.1 kilometer only, you can see that. So 67.1 kilometer, that means how come this key battery could be drained out so soon?
Yeah, that's a big $1 million question.
Yeah, this is a very $1 million question. Anybody from BMW who is watching this video, please comment on it. Please try to comment. Give some idea. We are not complaining, but just a $1 million question, that how come this bike key, the bike which was been purchased just yesterday evening, one day, we have not finished one day also, and this key battery has been drained out. Very funny. So yeah, we are going. We have reached sorry, far ho gaya. Gorakhpur, no? 200 something kilometer to reach Gorakhpur.
Right.
It's a long way ahead, long journey. For the pro rider it might not be a long journey, don't quote me on it. It's a very long journey for both of us, since it's our first long journey in a super bike. Right now we have reached Ayodhya. We are taking a break क्योंकि since morning से हम लोग ride कर रहे थे. So it's 1:05 right now, and we have decided to take lunch break. So right now we are in the hotel Royal Heritage Resort cum hotel. It's in Ayodhya. So waiting for our lunch, and after having lunch we'll start our journey.
Promesas son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer.
शाम होते ही GoPro का एक प्रॉब्लम होता है, इनको नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस है. GoPro को नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस का प्रॉब्लम है.
Okay.
Do not mix drinking and driving.
Drinking and driving. बात तो सही है. बट अभी क्या है ना, आज की तारीख में वो लोग ने जब से ड्रिंक एंड ड्राइव का जो लॉ थोड़ा सा स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लिया, बॉम्बे में तो बहुत कम हो गया एकदम. अभी आदमी लोग का हिम्मत नहीं होता है कि ड्राइव करने का, ड्रिंक करने के बाद. That is really good actually, very good. Really good. Yeah. 10 घंटा. हाँ. ठीक है ना, कोई बात नहीं. और थोड़ा अगर ऐसा क्लीन रोड मिला तो मजा आएगा, तो जल्दी पहुंच जाएगा.
लेकिन रात का समय है ना, वो स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, वो ट्रक वाला जो है. बढ़िया है. वाह,
यही रोड तो हम लोग ढूंढ रहा था सुबह से.
यही रोड तो ढूंढ रहा था. कंफर्टेबल?
हाँ, एकदम.
अरुणाचली अरुणाचल ऑफिसर
अभी टी ब्रेक किया था बिहार के बॉर्डर में, तो हाथ भी पूरा सुन हो गया था। हीटेड ग्रिप को ऑन करने के बाद में अभी बहुत आराम हो गया। पूरा नंबर 1 में कर दिया, अभी ठीक है। नंबर 2 में बहुत ज़्यादा हीट होता है।
अच्छा
Un día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3 sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Vamos 1, 2, 3 sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres, sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida, que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte, conocerte de raíz.
Good morning. So we have reached Siliguri. It's 12 degrees Celsius and 5:30 AM in the morning. तो सिलीगुड़ी का होटल पहुंचने के लिए अभी और 40 मिनट बचा हुआ है।
So finally we have reached the hotel. Now we'll get some rest. Already very much tired. मैं तो फ्रेश अप नहीं करके ऐसे सो जाएगा। Good morning and good night.
Hi guys, so this is the final lap from Siliguri to Guwahati. Yesterday was a super exciting day and a super tiring day. So we had lots and lots of surprises in that. We have summed up few. Even late night we had a lot of surprises. Day didn't end very smoothly. So today is a fresh day. We are hoping things go much smoother.
How's your leg now?
Oh yeah, leg is better now. Leg is better.
And
Yeah.
your back?
Back, yes. I had some back problems yesterday actually because I had a slip disc. It's an ongoing problem for a long time. Yesterday it just sparked off somehow, and yeah, so now it is still there. I put on my back support also, additional, the one what we put it slip disc, and yeah, we're carrying on. Yesterday was a very good. I mean, I really appreciate the driving done by Mr. Veli. I mean, he has done a fantastic job.
Thank you.
In the kind of distance what he has covered in the late night. Yes. That is the first day of his, driving this bike. But he has done a fabulous job. There is no doubt about it. And he's a ace rider, I'll say. He's a good rider. Absolutely a good rider.
Thank you.
So it's basically, if the rider is good, the bike, even if you try first time, it doesn't make a difference. You can really get the hang of it and maneuver it. That's off to Mr. Veli.
Thank you. तो अभी हम लोग अभी निकल रहे हैं. What was the hotel name?
ये Marriott, Courtyard Marriott.
कोर्टयार्ड नारियट सिलीगुड़ी का जो कोर्ट है, यहाँ पे हम लोग रुके हुए थे. We came up today morning by 6:30 we reached here. Night बाइक चलाने के कारण पूरा एग्जॉस्ट हो गया था, so we couldn't vlog properly. GoPro battery also was already drained up. The GoPro memory card भी खत्म हो गया था, so we couldn't give the proper detail. Now it's 12. How much? What's the time now?
It's 2:30.
It's 2:30 now.
Yeah.
We are already late. It's 2:30 now. I think we slept for nearly 6 hours, right?
No, yeah.
For
3.5
hours we slept. Rest we had to, freshen up and had some lunch, breakfast and all. And then now it's 2:30. We are leaving this beautiful town, Siliguri. As you can see here, from here you can see the outer view. You can see. But I must say, Sandeep ji, push you here.
Yes, I know.
There's no chance.
Yes, but I hope you're not planning to do that.
No, I won't do that.
Yes, I know
Yeah, it's
that.
very risky. See,
Yes, very.
There's no nothing. See, and I think this toughen glass
Even if it is toughened, it will not help, na?
Yeah, the borderline, no?
Yes, there is no frame actually.
Yeah, it's quite risky जी. अगर कोई पी लिया, देखो यहाँ पे फोर्ट कोर्टयार्ड ना, कोर्टयार्ड होटल वालों के होटल में जो भी आएगा, प्लीज डोंट ड्रिंक, अदरवाइज रात को क्या हो जाएगा, एंड पुश करेगा. वी आर राइट नाउ इन 8th फ्लोर. इधर नीचे देखो, नीचे तो गिरेगा लेकिन जाएगा ऊपर. So yeah, friends, everything is packed up, everything charged, backpack is ready. This is getting late actually. Why? 1 hour I've been charging this thing, and my clean jacket is also ready. Everything is ready. They have very properly cleaned it up. आपका भी हो गया ना?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. See you on the road. Finally, we have reached Guwahati. We have bought the piece. The first note is BMW 1250 GSA Adventure bike. Finally, we are here. We reached here at around 6 o'clock. And now we are heading towards our flat. So yes, we are happy. We made it. Congratulations, Sandeep ji.